Hey y'all, I'm Annie. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a pull-through half-up, half-down style. So today we're going to start by focusing on this back part, leaving out this hair right here at the front. Just right in front of your ear going up. Same thing on this side, right in front of your ear going up. You'll leave these out because you'll utilize them at the end. So once you've sectioned out the front pieces, you'll come up to the crown and gather this top section of hair and securing it with an elastic. At this time, you'll want to go ahead and pull any pieces at the top to give yourself a little bit more height from the front. After doing so, you will clip up your first ponytail and still focusing on the section right behind your ears, gather another section and once again secure this with an elastic. Take down your clip, separate your ponytail in two. In the second ponytail you created, you are going to pull through the top and hold away with the clip. At this point is when you're going to utilize your front pieces. So you'll take a piece from the temple on each side, and you will bring this back and add it to your pieces that you had separated. Once you let it down, you'll continue the pattern, separating, pulling through the top. Now, this section, you will not be adding any hair to it. We'll just continue this pattern with the hair that has already been secured in the elastics. Once you've gone down as far as you would like, then you'll pull each section apart, creating a little bit more fullness in your style. With this last ponytail, you're going to wrap it around the previous ponytail and secure it at the bottom of our ponytails. And there you have it, a fun half up, half down pull-through braid.